Hey guys, I have a channel update, and it's super bad. So if you've listened to my last few videos, and this video I'll probably do it too, the sound is terrible. It's being like fucked up, and I don't know what it is, and it's gonna fuck up all the rest of my videos. And I don't want that shit to happen. Because if it does, then my channel's fucked anyways. And I can't have some fucking shitty ass videos with no audio. Or if there is audio, some fucking weird shit on it. Fuck. I just wanted to tell you guys this. And it's a major issue. So, see you later. Always be majestic with that side of beast.